Basketball, you betcha. I'm back in the building, and I'm back with some bad news. Unfortunately, Basketball U championship week did not end like I wanted it to. Our team was not in shape, not in the best shape, and I don't have an answer to why they were not in the best shape. When I preach it all the time to you, Basketball U, and that is why I do that. But guess what? We are back and we are ready to work, so we don't have any downfalls or any sadness when we lose an important game. You may have an important game in AAU. You may have an important game coming up for your team in summer ball, fall ball, whatever it may fall on. You will have an important game coming up at some point in time where you need to make the play that no one else can make. All right, Basketball U, here we go. Let's get started. Yeah, we still got some of the same clips rolling, and you know we got to get right into layups. So you're going to start with that Mikan drill right under the basket. After you make your 10 Mikans, you're going to go right to the right side, sit under the basket, find yourself making 10 on that side. Then you're going to go on the left side, stand right under the basket, and then you're going to make 10 on that side. Okay? Then you're going to go Mikans one more time. Got to see that ball go in the basket. And then, you know, it's been a couple days, so let's get some form shooting in. Don't forget to form shoot. We're going to make 5 on each side and also 5 in the middle. Yes, that is right. Form shooting is very important, and we got to do it consistently. Make sure we are balancing that ball in our hand and making sure we are snapping those wrists to get the rotation needed, finding the seams, and making it feel good to be a good shooter. All right? And don't forget, Basketball U, we are going to have a couple new episodes coming soon, so I want you to stay tuned for that and make sure you lock in to all the Basketball U content that you need to watch. All right, now after you've made all those shots, I want you to go to the free throw line. And I know you're thinking, why are we doing all these simple drills? Because these simple drills are important, and these simple drills can help you win a game or even increase your average, because these are high percentage shots. So we want to take those high percentage shots. Go ahead and make 10 free throws real quick, and then we are going to go into our one-step layups. Yep, that's right, one-step layup. Finish high off the glass. Then you're going to take one step, jump, stop. Oh yeah, get that balance. Throw it up high off the glass. And that's how you're going to keep it rolling. We're going to do that 5 times, 2 times each on each side. Oh yeah, don't get confused. We're going to do that 5 times, 2 times each on each side. We're going to be on the right side. We're even going to get a little fun in the middle, and then we're going to go on the left side as well. All right, Basketball U, let's get to work. Let's do it. Let's do it. Make those layups. After we made those layups, we are going to make some floaters. And with those floaters, we are going to go high off the glass, and then we're going to make them with no glass at all. Remember, we got 5 on each side. We got a right side, we got a left side, and then we got the middle. Yeah, meet me in the middle, and let's make some floaters. Okay, and then after we make those floaters, we're going to shoot around the world. Oh yeah, you need it in your life. You gotta have it. Let's make 3 swishes before we move to the next spot. That's right, I said 3 swishes. They don't have to be in a row, but you got to make some shots. Okay? Remember, it's all about your mentality. So the more you're trying for perfection, those results are going to transfer into perfection. Okay, so keep shooting, keep trying to make those swishes. It may take you a little longer than usual, but you're just going to go around 1 time. Each spot needs to be 3 swishes. So you may make 14 shots in 1 spot, but if you don't get those 3 swishes, you got to keep shooting from that spot. Hope you don't get too tired. Then we're going to go bank shots. Okay, we're going to work those bank shots, really seeing that ball go in, hitting those different levels that you see right here on video. And we're only going to make 3 each level of the bank shooting. Okay, then you're going to go to the free throw line again. You're going to make 5 free throws. After you make those 5 free throws, we are going to go into our footwork. Okay, our footwork shooting. We got our footwork shooting on the baseline. We also have our footwork shooting on the elbow. So we want to work both of those positions. We want to make 5 in each spot. Really stepping in, loading into the shot, making sure you're balanced, making sure you're turning and being square shoulders, right? Square shoulders to the rim. Now, some people prefer to angle their feet, but at the same time, the shoulders are still square. So your feet do play a part in it, but whatever you feel is comfortable for you or the player that you want to copy as a shooter, then you can go ahead and do so. But remember, the main key is you want to have those shoulders square to the basket. You want to have that follow through aligned to the front of the rim. It's so very important. Don't forget to snap that wrist and hold it so you can see where it's going to be. That's right, basketball. You go ahead and make your shots, work on your footwork, and then I want you to go back to the free throw line, shoot 5, and then you know what? You might be able to get a little water after this since you've been running back and forth on your rebounds. All right, so go ahead and get a little water, splash your face a little bit, and then let's get back out there. Basketball, you thought we were going to do a little dribbling today, huh? Maybe you thought we were going to do a little agility today. Well, guess what? You can blame my team for the running that I'm about to put you through. Oh yeah, that's right, I didn't get to run them, but I'm going to run you. Yeah, basketball, we are going to get in shape. You better believe that. Liners, please. We're going to go from the baseline to the free throw line to the baseline, back to the half court, back to the baseline, back to the free throw line, and back to the baseline, and then from baseline to baseline. You're going to do this 3 times. You're not going to time yourself, but you're going to push yourself. You're not going to time yourself, but you are going to push yourself. Why? Because, yep, I know I said it in the beginning and my team didn't do it, but you're going to do it, and that's going to be in shape, in the best shape, where you don't have to ask yourself, why not? Huh? Are we ready? Are you tired already? Did you already start running and stop listening to me talk? Probably did. That's okay. But guess what? If you did, I got 17s for you too. What are 17s? You're going to run from sideline to sideline 17 times. Oh yeah, that's right. Most people get it done in a minute 5. Hopefully you can get it done in a minute 15. Basketball, we got to get in shape. It's time. Coaches are in the stands. They're watching. They're excited to see all this talent running around. But who is in the best shape? Who is going to impress coaches? Will it be you? It won't be me, because I am a coach. I'm the daily trainer, and I'm always going to be here at Basketball U. Go ahead and hit that free throw line. Make 10 of them, and you are done for today. Excellent job. Way to push through the conditioning. I know that's the toughest part of all the workouts every time we do them, and probably a little defense too. But I let you slide today. No defense, all right? So remember this. Someone's always working. Are you?